Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to collect dietary preference for a catering company. So let's suppose I am running a catering company and I am receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. For now, I am manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever a user sends me a message, I'm automatically going to reply to the user according to their queries. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot to collect dietary preferences for a catering business. So for this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For this, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like. So here I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. Hello, welcome to Gourmet Bites Catering. To help us prepare the perfect meal for you, may we know your name? So I'm going to enter my name and I'm going to send my name to them. So here this is the name. I'm going to send this and I'm going to receive a reply. Thank you, Shubhamurthy. Please select your dietary preference from the option below. So if I click on this vegetarian, it is going to send me the message. If I click on this non-vegetarian, it is going to send me the message. And if I click on this vegan, it is going to send me the message. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot to collect dietary preference for your catering business. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this WhatsApp Connect, and you can use a manual token to create your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, please visit our YouTube channel. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this gives the overview insights of the Pabbly Chatflow, like the credit allotted, the folder, WhatsApp numbers, the credit remaining. On the left hand side where we can see all these options, the next after this dashboard is inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. We have this contacts where you can manage your leads, customers and their details. Next we have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast. So this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant, so this use AI tools to auto-generate reply, content or suggestion. We have the settings where we can see all these options, so this will help configure account integration and preferences. We have this get help. So this access support, FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's move back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and we have to create a WhatsApp chatbot. For that we have to go towards this flows. So let's click on this flows. So here I have landed towards this flow builder. Over here you can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which have been created. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this. So here we are landed towards this page, and now to create a new flow, we have to first name this flow. So let's name this flow to. So here I have named this flow WhatsApp chatbot to collect dietary preferences for a catering business. And on the left hand side where you can see all these options and buttons, let's quickly go through before creating this WhatsApp chatbot, because we will be needing all of these buttons while creating this chatbot. So the first one under messages is of text button and media button. So this sends the text message along with multiple clickable buttons. We can add the media like the image, audio or video. If you want to provide many options to the users, you can use list instead of using the button. If you want to send the catalog message, you can use this. If you want to send a single product, you can use this. If you have multiple product, you can use this. So we have this template, which is a pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons and links. Moving on to the next option of actions. Under actions, the first button is of condition, which allows you to set logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address, which helps us ask the address from the customer or the user. We can ask their location, we can ask any question, and then we can ask them to upload their media like the image, video or audio. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag to segment these users or the customer. We can use this API request to send or retrieve the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we can use this connect flow, which link the flow to another chatbot flow. Now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And to start or activate this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the regex and the keywords. Now over here we are going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, and as soon as we enter these keywords and the regex, my chatbot is going to get triggered or activated. I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey and hi. Press enter, hi, press enter. You can also enter the product or the service of your business in this keywords. Like I'm running a catering business, so my customer is going to message me like, I want to send you the dietary preference or the diet or the preference, something like that. I can add that to my keywords. Now we have this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. I'm going to enter a regex, and you have to enter the regex in the same format, and this particular regex format is going to activate your chatbot. So here you can use the keywords or the regex. You can use both. I'm going to use or activate or trigger my chatbot with the help of regex in this WhatsApp chatbot. So now here we are done with the keywords and the regex, and next we have to understand that how we are going to send this message. You can see that as soon as I have sent this hello, I have received this reply. So how I have received this reply? For that, I'm going to go towards my chatbot and I'm going to click on the circle. So I'm simply going to drag and drop this, and I'm going to select my content type as text plus button. I have already explained you all these content type. I'm going to send the message, so I've selected this as text plus button, and I'm going to enter the message like, hello, welcome to Gourmet Bites Catering, and then I have entered to help us prepare the perfect meal for you. May we know your name? So first I'm going to ask the name, but over here you can see that in this text plus button I will not be able to get their name. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag and drop this ask question, and then I'm going to enter the same question or the same message in this box, and then I'm going to select the contact custom field as the full name. Here I've created this contact custom field and I've selected that, and in the format I'm going to select this as text because the name will obviously in the text format. I'm going to delete this message for now, and I'm going to make the connection between this circle and this circle. So I have taken the question box instead of text plus button because I wanted to collect the answer from the customers. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, you have to go towards the settings, and let's open this contact custom field. So here I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, I can see all the fields which I have created, and you can create as many as fields by clicking on this add more field. You can see that I have created this full name field, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this contact custom field, copy to clipboard. I'm going to go towards my flow and I'm going to paste that over here. So in this manner, whatever answer is going to be sent to me, it is going to get reflected in this message as I have copied and pasted the contact custom field. We have to keep in mind that whenever we are going to ask the question, we have created the contact custom field for that. So whenever the user answers this question, it gets saved in my contact custom field. So here, as the user has answered me, they have sent me the name, I'm going to send them the message like thank you, and then I've added the contact custom field, and then please select your dietary dietary preference from the option below, and then I'm going to provide them the option by clicking on this add button. If you have more option to provide, you can simply drag and drop this list. As I have only 3 options, I have used the button. Now over here we have missed one thing. We can see that we have bold this text. So I'll go back to my chat flow, and from here I'm going to bold this text like we have to enter the star in the end and in the beginning of that sentence. So this is going to bold this text. This is how it works. You can use these stars in the message itself but not in the buttons. We have to keep this in mind. So I'm quickly going to add these buttons, and I'm going to create the message for each of these buttons, and we are going to understand later how the buttons and the messages work. So let me quickly add all the buttons and messages. So here I have created the message. First I have asked them their name. Then I have provided 3 buttons: vegetarian, non-vegetarian and vegan. And when they're going to choose the option of vegetarian, I'm going to send them this message that we have all these options, and then I have uploaded a media. Now how I have done this? You can simply drag and drop this media button, select the media type as image, audio, video, or document, and then you have to make sure that the file limits do not exceed. And then by clicking on this cloud, you can upload your media by selecting the media and then clicking on this open. So in this manner, the media will be uploaded, and I have uploaded the media or the image for all of these buttons: vegetarian, non-vegetarian and vegan. You can also click on this add content and then select your content type as media and upload the media, or you can create the buttons. Like if I have entered this message, and then I can ask, do you really want to get this vegetarian, yes or no? And then you can enter the button for the yes or no, and then you can ask the question in this caption. So this is how you can extend or exceed your chatbot. Here I have created a small WhatsApp chatbot to make you things understand. Now here I have done the same for this non-vegetarian. When they click on this, I'm going to send them this message and this image, and when they click on this vegan, I'm going to send them the same message with the buttons and the image. As soon as they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them this personalized message with thanks, and I have added the contact custom field. Our team will get back to you shortly with custom menu. Looking forward to serving you, Team Gourmet Bites. Now here, this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot, and you have to keep in mind that you have activated this flow. If the flow remains inactive, the messages will not be sent. And after activating this, we have to save this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here the flow updated successfully. We can send a quick message. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. I'm going to enter my name. It is asking me for my name. So I have sent this message, and then it has sent me this thank you Shubhamurthy personalized message. And what is your dietary preference? I'm going to go with this vegan, and then it is going to send me, would you want to get this fusion Mediterranean or the Indian? I'm going to go with this Indian, and then you will see that I'm going to receive this personalized message. Thank you Shubhamurthy. Our team will get back to you shortly with custom menu. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot to collect dietary preferences for a catering business. And you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. If you have any query or doubt, you can drop a comment below this video. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.